Allah's creation, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this does not add greatness to his greatness, not one bit. He's exalted by the very declaration of Quran that وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ, that we have raised your dhikr, we have raised your mention. To what extent? When he went on Mi'raj, Allah had given him that basharat and that glad tiding that Allah dhukirt illa dhukirta ma'i. That, oh Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, from this point onwards, my name would not be taken except that my name would be taken with your name. 10 names Allah had given him. Ana Muhammad, wa Ahmad, wa Mahi, wa Aqib, wa Hashir, wa Fatih, wa Khatim, wa Abul Qasim, wa Taha, wa Yasin. I am Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Wal ihtisham al haq. Tabi, when he speaks about the names of the Nabi of Allah, what does he write? Ana Muhammad wa Ahmad. The arsh bari par mera naam Ahmad hai aur farsh zameen par mera naam Muhammad hai. Mahi, the one who destroyed kufr. Wa Aqib, the one who came last. Wa Hashir, the one who will be raised first. Wa Fatih, Nubuwat began upon me. Nubuwat ended upon me. Somebody had come to him. When were you the Nabi of Allah? What did he say? Kuntu Nabiyyan wa Adam munjadilun bayna al-ma'i wa tin. Adam alayhi salam's mold had not been made. And already I was the Nabi of Allah. What maqam and status Allah had granted his Nabi. That Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allama Suyuti in Khasa'is al-Kubra records this narration. That when Nabi alayhi salam, his uncle calls him, he said, oh my nephew, when you were a little baby, I already knew that you had great maqam and status in the eyes of Allah. Nabi alayhi salam said, how did you identify my greatness whilst I was a little child? He says it was a moonlit night. You were lying in your cradle. In whichever direction your finger pointed, the moon moved in that direction. وَكَانَ الْقَمْرُ يُحَاقِينِي وَيُلَاغِينِي وَيَمْنَعُنِي مِنَ الْبُكَاءِ. For other children, you normally give them toys to keep them quiet. He said, for you, oh my nephew, Allah used the moon. What in Nabi Allah has given you and I? Nabi of Insan. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا النَّاسِ إِنِّي رَسُولُ اللَّهِ إِلَيْكُمْ جَمِيعًا. Nabi of Jinnat. وَإِسْتَرَفْنَا إِلَيْكَ نَفَرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ. Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, I walked with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. مَسْتَقْبَلَهُ حَجَرٌ وَلَا شَجَرٌ وَلَا مَدَرٌ إِلَّا قَالَ الصَّلَاةُ وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكَ يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ. He was the Nabi of even the inanimate objects. Allah had made him the greatest of Allah's creation. May Allah grant us the true love of Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, that we could walk in the footsteps of Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I would just like to take this opportunity. I come all the way from South Africa, to be part of this momentous occasion. May Allah Ta'ala let this be in our hasanat of good deeds on the day of Qiyamah. And whenever the moment of death comes, let it be in the blessed city of Madinatul Munawwara, so that we could rest in the graveyard of the Nabi of Allah and be the first to enjoy the intercession of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.